first thing I recognize when I just glance at this question is I am basically given a point, right? This is in function notation, but it's a point. So they're going to ask me to interpret that. Let's read the full question, but I already know that a lot of this is going to come down to just what are my units for my x and y coordinates. So let's see. The height in feet of an object x seconds after it is thrown straight up in the air can be modeled by the function h of x equals negative 16x squared plus 20x plus 5. Based on the model, which of the following statements best interprets the equation h of 1.4 equals 1.64? So I don't think of that as an equation. Like I said, it's a point. But let's rewrite it in point form, right? So 1.4 is my x, right? That whenever we have something in those parentheses, that's the x. And they said x is the number of seconds. So 1.4 seconds and 1.64 is the y. So that's the height, right? H of x. So that's feet. So right away, if a choice is mismatching the number with the unit, I know it's wrong. So A, the height of the object 1.4 seconds, check, after being thrown straight up in the air is 1.64 feet. So just based on units, that could work. Let's keep moving though. The height of the object 1.64 seconds, no, it's 1.64 feet. Kill it. C, the height of the object 1.64 seconds, no, it's 1.64 feet. Kill it. D, the speed of the object 1.4 seconds after being thrown straight up in the air is approximately 1.64 feet per second. So this part's okay. But 1.64 feet per second, it's 1.64 feet. It's just feet. It's a height. So that's it. And it makes sense, right? The height of the object 1.4 seconds after being thrown straight up in the air is 1.64 feet because that's what this equation does, is it tells you the number of feet after a certain number of seconds. So it's just picking a random point to do that. I don't care if the point is even right. Notice I'm not plugging it into the equation because I don't need to evaluate that. I'm not asked to solve anything. I'm just interpreting. But these questions are easy. Start with the units. You'll at least get rid of like one or two answers right away. And then from there, there might be more interpreting that you need to do. But the units are a great place to start. And that basically turns this from a math question into a reading question. And that's much easier.